How to use WP-PayPage plugin for your WordPress website. This tutorial will shows you how to use WP-PayPage plugin for your WordPress website and how to configure payment gateways and pages. Hi guys, welcome to livelyworks channel. Once you installed the plugin from the package downloaded, you will see the PayPage menu option in sidebar. By clicking it will take you to PayPage settings page, where you will be able to enable and configure payment gateways required for your payment pages. Once you enable the required payment gateways with keys provided by the gateways, you can also choose to enable test or live mode. Once everything is done in settings, now you are ready to use PayPage payment pages. You can start accepting the payment on any page or post by using Gutenberg editor. You need to search for PayPage widget in it. On selected there will be options for it to fill in right sidebar, where you need to set your item name, description and price in various currencies based on the payment gateways selected. Once done, just publish post or page and you are ready to accept the payments.